Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about Zumoni bag organizers. So look at this beautiful pink one. Yes, I went for a pop of color this time. Oh my goodness. So this is the bag organizer for my Speedy 25 sitting right here, the classic Speedy without the bandolier. And it's funny because I have another bag organizer from a different company and I didn't really love the configuration of it. I'll show you that in a minute, but I really love this simplistic configuration where it's just nothing on the outside, as you can see, very clean, very simple, and then you have all of these compartments on the inside. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compartments and then one large compartment. And the way it's made, it's really well made. As you can see, the stitching is very clean, and then you've got an extra piece of felt at the bottom just to give it a bit of a more sturdy base, which is always nice for the Speedy because, you know, the Speedy kind of droops and sags, which I don't love. And yeah, I went for this pink. This is called the icing pink color, and this configuration is called the Type A organizer. So for the Speedy 25, I think there were 4 types, type A, B, C, and D, and they all had different configurations. Let me show you what I had prior. This one here, so this one, the pink one, is from Zoomoni, and then this one here was from Samorga, and I like this. It's really well made as well. Both companies are based in South Korea, and you know I happen to be Korean, born and raised here in the States, native New Yorker, but I love supporting Korean companies. That's my heritage, but I also just love supporting companies that make good quality products wherever they happen to be. It doesn't matter as long as the quality and the value is there. But anyway, this is the one that I got originally, but as you can see, the configuration is different. There are pockets on the outside, which I didn't really love because I felt like it just made the felt thicker and it would take up more space inside the bag. And also the pockets I felt were not very functional because they were flush up against the wall of the bag, right? The sides of the bag. And so there wasn't much I was doing with putting anything in here. So I just kind of felt like it added weight and depth to the organizer without much of the functionality. And then this piece here, I hadn't thought this through, but this one here is probably perfect for those of you who carry water bottles around. You know, if you work out a lot or you walk a lot and you always have a water bottle with you, it will stand up straight in here, which is nice. And you can always put some other stuff too. But I liked the open compartment in the center. I think it's a matter of preference, the design that you want. And I love the fact that Zumoni had this beautiful pink color and also 4 different configurations that you could choose from. So this one seemed to work best for me. I'm going to just quickly fill it up with some of my stuff so that you can see what it looks like. So here, just my sunglasses and my mini pochette, my Chanel mini O case, my key pouch. By the way, man, this video is going to be jam-packed with information. There is a giveaway happening on my Instagram right now through November 13th, and it is of the Louis Vuitton key pouch, brand new in monogram. Mine is in the damier bin, but brand new in monogram print, made in France. Yes. My friend Elma and I, we're doing a collab together and we're doing this gratitude giveaway. So head over to my Instagram. It's the same name as my channel here, Hello Catwalk City. If you want to enter, there's plenty of time, like I said, until November 13th. So anyway, key pouch I'm going to put right in there. Look how nice that is. Also with my card holder, I can put it right next to the key pouch. And then I've got my phone case because I'm filming. And then I've got my coin purse with my earbuds. And then I've got another little pouch with my extra cards. Oh, by the way, Zumoni also sent these little cute pouches. I wonder if they use the extra material that's left over to make these little pouches that you can put your coins or little bits and bobs. So how cute is that? I'm going to put that over here on this side. And then here's my Chanel egg cream. You guys know how I feel about this. It's a little controversial, but I'll show you just to see. Yep, it fits really nicely. Here, hand sanitizer, and I'm always really paranoid about hand sanitizer leaking or spilling out and ruining the inside of my bags, especially if they're leather. So I love that you can stick it right in there and it'll keep it kind of safe and secure. And then here's a little lip product, and there you go. And I can also put a pack of tissues. There's room for more things, but that's how I'll leave it for now. And then let me tell you, wow, it is so organized. I love it. I love compartments. I love organization, but still pretty light. So I'm going to stick this inside my Speedy 25. By the way, if you are eyeing this and wondering what it is, this too I had talked about on my Instagram. I am so in love with this gold chain right now. I feel like it adds such a fun, edgy vibe to my classic Speedy. So this is from a company called Dress Up Your Purse. I'm actually going to link them down below in my description box, and I have an exclusive promo code, so if you want to shop them. But I have a bunch of goodies from them, and I haven't revealed them all yet, but this one is one of my favorites. I'm just really having a lot of fun. It looks like a little, it's like a smile. It's a smile on my Speedy. So I digress. You see, this video has a lot of information. So let's get this in there. Obviously, it would have been easier if I had just packed it in, but then you wouldn't have been able to see as well. But luckily it's very soft and malleable, so I can get it in there. I just want to get the corners snugly down on each side. The fit is perfect, and I think with organizers, fit, size, shape, right? All of that really matters a lot, because if it's too big, it's going to push into the bag. If it's too loose, it's going to waste space because there'll be gaps. And if it's loose, then there might be like extra material floating around. But look at this. It looks so pretty. I love this pop of pink. The first one that I got, you saw, was like a chestnut color. I wanted to sort of match the inside of my bag. But then this time around, I was like, no, I'm going for a fun, cheerful pop of color. And so every single time I go in and out of my bag, it's like just a happy place. You see this pink, and it's actually not even picking up really well on camera. In person, it is such a pretty pink. Like I said, it's called icing pink, which I think is a really appropriate name for the shade of this pink. I don't know, I just think it's really pretty. So I'm super, super happy with this Zumoni bag organizer. Zumoni, this is how it's spelled. And then I also got two more. I got this one here for my Chanel Jumbo single flap, and I had talked about this before. For me, it was an absolute must to get a bag organizer for my single flap Jumbo, just because they are notorious for losing their shape and structure. And then I also got this one here, and I'll have to explain. This one's actually not for me. This one is for the Chanel Classic Flap medium size. Okay, so here quickly is my Jumbo, and I had also an organizer for my Jumbo, but interestingly enough, I felt like the sizing was a little bit off, probably because it was made for a double flap Jumbo, which is much more common. This was discontinued a number of years ago, and there aren't many out there. So I wanted to try a slightly different version. The one that I'm referring to was not from Zoomoni. This one is, and I love the configuration. Again, very simple, with the pockets just on the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing on the outside. Oops. And this little cute pouch again. And what I have found is, for my single flap, this one here fits beautifully. It is snug, but not too tight, and really sturdy. So I really think it's going to keep the shape very nicely. So I intend to use this one. See here. So I know it's hard to see because it's black on black, but I just wanted to quickly show you that. And then, like I said, this one here is going to be a gift for someone else, my mom to be exact. So this is my vintage lambskin classic flap in the medium size. I'm just going to quickly test it out and show you. I don't have anything in here. I'm fine without using anything. The biggest concern is probably getting scratches on the inside with things like keys or something sharp, but because I have a key pouch, it is contained and I'm not very worried. But I got a really special gift for my mom recently and I haven't even given it to her yet. So I have a very, very special Chanel unboxing video coming soon. I just can't release it until she actually has it in her possession because I don't want her to see the video and, ruin the surprise. But I got this for her so she can put it in her bag, and now you know what kind of bag I got her, right? So that the inside will remain clean and structured, keep the shape. But also mainly because she's got a lot of keys and she has no key pouch. And I don't think a key pouch would even work for her because she has almost too many keys. So I thought if she was going to throw her keys in here, it would be nice to have something like this to protect the inside of her bag. So when I give her her special Chanel gift, I will also be giving her this organizer to accompany it. And I think it's just super cute and it will complete the package. So yeah, just wanted to show you that. I highly recommend Zoomoni. It's really well packaged, got here quickly, lovely note, all of that. So I'm really, really pleased. And also, I have an exclusive promo code for you if you wanted to shop Zoomoni. It's for 20% off, which is pretty cool, right? 20% off if you enter the code Hello Catwalk City. I will put the information down below in the description box so you can check it out. I don't get anything for it, no commission, anything like that, but I just like to support companies where I find really good quality products that I can support and stand behind. And finally, if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe and make sure to keep your eye out for that giveaway that's going on my Instagram right now. Go check it out, see if you're interested, and enter. Good luck. Thumbs up for this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.